Imagine this. You take the same ED pill you've relied on for years, but tonight, nothing happens. No effect, no spark, just frustration. What happened? Is your body building a resistance? Or is something much bigger going on? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal the hidden reasons your ED medication could suddenly stop working, and what you can do to fix it before it's too late. This isn't just about performance, it's about confidence, relationships, and even your long-term health. Many men blame the pill, but in reality, the real problem is often inside your body, and it's been building for years. If you think the solution is simply take more, you might actually be making things worse. If you think the solution is simply take more, you might actually be making things worse. Over time, your body can adapt to the medication, especially if you're taking it too frequently or in inconsistent doses. Skipping doctor reviews for years means your prescription might no longer match your health status. Pills like Viagra, Cialis, or Levitra work on blood flow, but if your blood vessels have gotten weaker or narrower, the same dose won't give the same results. Pro tip: always revisit dosage and type of ED medication with your doctor at least once a year. Your body changes, and so should your prescription. Blood pressure meds, antidepressants, or diabetes drugs can all interfere with ED meds. Hormone decline, especially low testosterone, can make ED pills almost useless. Cardiovascular disease is a major culprit. If arteries are clogged, the pill can't work as intended. Here's the scary part. Sometimes ED that resists medication is the first warning sign of a serious heart problem. High alcohol intake, poor sleep, stress, and smoking all block the blood vessel dilation that ED meds depend on. Weight gain and inactivity increase insulin resistance, another erection killer. Even dehydration can reduce the pill's effectiveness by slowing absorption. Small changes, big impact. Hydrate well, manage stress, and improve diet. Sometimes it's not the pill, it's the body you're giving it to. Anxiety about will it work can itself prevent it from working. Depression, relationship stress, or performance fear create mental blocks that override the pill's physical effects. This is why many urologists pair ED treatment with counseling or stress management. Medical checkup: rule out heart disease, hormonal issues, or medication conflicts. Lifestyle upgrade: better sleep, exercise, and diet boost the pill's power. Switch or combine. Your doctor can suggest different meds or gels like Eroxen for faster action. Mental reset: don't ignore stress and anxiety, they can kill results faster than age. If your ED meds have suddenly stopped working, your body is trying to tell you something. Fix the root cause, and you might get back the performance you thought was gone forever. In my next video, I'll reveal the 5 habits that make ED medication twice as effective. You won't want to miss it.